A Solution to Climate Change by Jarrett Buckner. Why this topic? Significant effects. The effects of climate change are very profound and will only get worse as time goes on. Some future effects predicted by scientists include worldwide heat waves, melting of the polar ice caps, ocean levels rising, mass extinction of many plants and animals, food shortages, and starvation. If something can be done to combat climate change, it must happen now. And here we have some pictures depicting what could happen. Climate change affects everyone in the world, regardless of things like wealth, social status, or location. Current efforts to combat climate change. Government regulations try to make companies and households switch to greener sources of energy, and laws regarding transportation are becoming more and more strict. These solutions may seem effective at first, but they mainly aggravate people and companies due to their high price. Paris Agreement. This agreement signs all of the world's nations into agreement on tackling climate change. The main goals of this agreement are to significantly reduce greenhouse gases, evaluate which countries cause the biggest climate problems, and for rich countries to help poor countries adapt and switch to renewable energy. And here's a graph depicting greenhouse gas levels since the Industrial Revolution. As you can see, they skyrocket. My solution is that if climate scientists were to better communicate their findings to the public, people would understand more about climate change and what it is capable of causing. Many people deny the existence or significance of climate change. They might do this for many reasons, but the fact is, much of the public believes what these people say. And here we have some depicted images of climate skeptics. And a quote from Mitt Romney says, "My view is that we don't know what's causing climate change on this planet, and the idea of spending trillions and trillions of dollars to try to reduce CO2 emissions is not the right course for us." Why my solution is better than current solutions. It's cheap. As Mitt Romney pointed out, current climate change efforts are very pricey. However, bringing news to the public is less expensive than all current solutions. And it's simple. All that is asked is for climate scientists to make their research public, more so than it already is. This way, people will realize what is happening to our planet and will be more motivated to try and stop it from continuing. So, what can people do on an individual basis to combat climate change? Here are some ideas. One of the biggest things that people can do to reduce emissions is take fewer plane rides each year. Other less significant things include conserving water and electricity, driving more fuel-efficient cars, and recycling. Thank you for viewing this presentation, and I hope you better understand climate change and why my solution will combat it.